I'm doing something a little radical today. I'm popping the pistons out of calipers that have seized up. This one here was on my driver's side of the Focus, and it seized up this week. Steering wheel started shaking when I let the gas off, stuff like that. Turns out it was seized caliper. The way I determined that was squeeze it inward with a big C-clamp, and like it did not want to go. Normally they should go easily, like when you change your brake pads and stuff, but you can see the rust build up on it. So I'm going to try have a rebuild kit, new seal there, and the new I don't know what you call it, piston ring seal almost. Have a second one here that did the same thing, seized up from rust. When I put new pads on, squeezed it back in, and then it went about 10 miles and decided to seize the caliper up. So we're popping it out next. You need some brake fluid when you do this because it lowers the reservoir about half an inch at least. This one I got to fill the whole caliper. The other one, because it was worn pads, it was extended, but this one's got to come out a long ways. So you need a big catch pan because you see I got a fair amount of fluid in there. Well, I'm gonna try to catch the piston getting popped out on video here. We'll see how it goes. There's one pump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and there she went. There you go, popped her right out. Now I gotta stop the fluid from leaking everywhere and draining my reservoir.